Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and let's see how we can get your Discord token and log in with it. First, sign into Discord and press F12 to bring up the DevTools. Now click on any conversation to load the required options. Now in the DevTools section, make sure you are under the Network tab and click on Science within it. Scroll all the way down until you see Authentication. This sequence of characters is your token. Copy the sequence. Now you can sign out of Discord, but I'll just open a new browser where I'm not signed in. Now go to discord.com/login. Now open the developer tools once again by pressing F12. In the DevTools, go to the Application tab, then Local Storage, and open the discord.com section. From here, scroll all the way down to the empty space and double-click to fill the left side with text saying Token. On the right side, paste the token you previously copied, but make sure it is within quotation marks. Finally, without exiting DevTools, press Ctrl+R, and you will now be signed in and you can close DevTools. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.